Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
AICTE-IDEA Lab Tech Fest 2025 brought together a whole bunch of innovators working on real-life problems in different fields. Let us have a look at some of the IDEA Lab projects in the field of IoT applications, UAV platforms, and simulation automation.
Hello, this is Dr. Y.S. Rao, Dean Academics and R&D from Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. We are on the behalf of SPIT-IDEA Lab representing our institute. Whatever is the products we have developed at the IDEA Lab, we are exhibiting here. We have brought majorly three types of products, though several models are developed. The major topics are, one is the products which are developed for IoT purpose, that is Internet of Things. Second is specifically students have developed a product for IoT application for a high voltage AC system. The third product which we are exhibiting is a 3D model developed by our mechanical engineering students of our sister institute, that is Sardar Patel College of Engineering, using 3D printers. So what are the innovations about these products is, to begin with, first about these IoT products. These products are indigenously developed at our IDEA Lab. The purpose is, a lot of software is happening, but software and hardware design is not happening. And at national level, a lot of engineering colleges have started only software branches, but then the applications of software is all about IoT. Instead of importing the ready-made hardware, why can't we design and develop indigenously? Because see, these are all about the products, not the projects. So to motivate the students do fabrication, testing and troubleshooting at the IDEA Lab itself. So to begin with, for example, if you look at this product, a lot of subjects can be implemented by using this product. Say for example, students do require function generator, power supply, CRO. By using this mobile lab where the board has function generator, power supply, and the display can happen on mobile phone or a cloud platform, because this has a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth inbuilt. Students can also change the CPU based on their applications, and the board has signal conditioning itself, so that even higher voltage signals can be applied, can be scaled down to the lower voltages. Whatever is the sensors are required, they are there on the board, including the actuators, stepper motors, DC motors, servo motors can be interfaced. A relay circuit is there so that even 230 volts operated devices can be connected. So even subjects like digital electronics, EDC, LIC, BW, those subjects also can be done by adding a piggyback boards. So it is all about do it yourself at low cost solutions, and we named as a mobile lab because even students can carry at their home, and we are worried about what they do after 4 o'clock, what do they do at their vacation. And this is funded by Department of Science and Technology under our SPTBA, Technology Business Incubation Center. So these are all about indigenously developing low-cost solution. That is our innovation, which will take care of multiple subjects in IoT domain. Similarly, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology also empower every student with these IoT boards from first year itself. Irrespective of their branch, students are supposed to fabricate these boards so that they can carry at their home. After 4 o'clock also, if we give some assignments, they do it. So what is important in today's life is industrial coding, and the coding has to be happen on the hardware, not on the computer, because computer is not a product, but these are all the products. And the branches like data science, AI, ML and all, these are not programs. They are supposed to be, data has to be acquired. and we made a compatible system in such a way that even they can plug it to any laptop, so that whatever is the sensors are required, they are there on the board. So the data acquisition, data visualization, data analysis can happen on real time. So these are the major innovations. From few innovations we have brought it here. Otherwise, we have done these, as you can see, looks like a small robotic kits. The purpose is, even our labs are visited by schools and junior college students. So to motivate them, small activity-based learning can also we do it for our students. For example, these components, assembling, soldering, troubleshooting, at low cost they do it. And to make it them attractive, we have provided some vehicle type system, some sensors are there, some robotic joints are there, and these are all can be done by our laser machines, 3D machines. For example, laser cutting can be done for these things. 3D models can be done like this model. So these are all the products. Few examples from IoT domain. Our student Jash Agarwal, he will brief you about the product which they have done as a third year students for innovation for their applications in IoT domain.
Taking inspiration from the multifaceted study at Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, we third year students of Electronics and Telecommunication branch have developed a very unique solution called sentient electronics. Coming from the idea of IoT to industrial IoT to smart IoT, we envision the future of sentient electronics, electronics that can think, that can process, that can that can detect anomalies of data sets of anything in their atmosphere and basically predict the actual use case for the users. Targeting the heating, ventilation and air conditioning unit, an HVAC system which is common across various industries, right from a poultry farm to a dairy farm to a data center to a college to a classroom. HVAC is very common, and the energy optimization in HVAC is very important for any industry. The energy savings can be up to 30% of the entire budget of that organization. We have developed a unique DAC system, data acquisition system, which has also the power to control the device using IR transmitters and IR receivers. The DAC system has PZDM sensor for voltage, current, power factor recording. It has DHT11 sensor for temperature and humidity recording. It has MQ sensors for the carbon monoxide sensing. What does it do? It senses all the data inside an HVAC atmosphere. Whatever the HVAC is producing, whatever cooling or whatever heating sensation it is producing, it is calibrating that, it is sending to the ML models. Our ML models are deployed on cloud. We are using LSTM model for prediction on the time series data. We are using autoencoder model for anomaly detection, and we are including the reasoning capabilities using generative AI models such as Mixtral 7 billion model. What does it do? It basically controls the entire atmosphere for that system, whether it may be a poultry farm or a data center. The entire heating, ventilation of that system is controlled by our unit. The data sets are exposed to API endpoints deployed on Azure cloud. We can collect that data, and the sensors can control that HVAC system using an IR transmitter which is built on chip, and thus there is no human intervention in controlling the atmosphere of any industry. This is a very unique opportunity for industries to lower their energy savings. The current solutions generally rely on data of power, humidity and temperature only. Through our unique data acquisition system, we are going above and beyond that and acquiring data such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide for occupancy detection, replacing the need of cameras and processing, image processing. We are using voltage, power factor, current data to enhance the electronics data of the device, and which will help us in fault detection and early prediction of machine failures in an HVAC system. It is a very great opportunity for our college and for the students that are representing our college. We are not only networking with like-minded students from the various IDEA labs, we are also networking with industry professionals, with young generations to teach them, to learn from them. And also, it's a very great opportunity to showcase our project in front of a large audience. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.
my name is Navneet Kumar. I am a fourth year student at Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, and he's Sacker Day, a third year student at Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra. This is my project, a AI powered UAV platform. What I have created is a AI powered UAV platform that can do multiple tasks for several industries and provide end-to-end solutions for that. Starting from AI driven technology, this drone can process the data and images captured real time and gives you results and actionable insights. And then this drone platform is modular platform in which you can integrate multiple suites of sensors so that you can transform it for several other industries. And then the data will be processed via cloud integration. Once the data is taken into the drone will automatically process the data by its onboard single board computer, and then it will be sending the results via cloud so that you can get to the data by very high efficiency and very low latency. This drone can be used for several other industrial use cases. Let's say we take an example for insurance price for crop detection. We'll be doing the crop detection and we can get all the results of whatever the area is pest infested. Then we can take this data, process it on board via this computer in real time, and we can tell the insurance industry that this particular area is infected and there might be dynamic change to the price.
Hello everyone, I am Simarjeet Singh and I am from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research. Today, I am here to explain you about SAM. SAM is a singulation automation machine. So you might have bought something from e-commerce platform, kabhi na kabhi you might have bought it. But you don't know how the process happens, how the 5-day delivery works, what is happening in the warehouse. Right now what is happening is we have manual labels that picks up the boxes and places it such that the label should always be on top. Here's what SAM comes. What SAM does is it picks up the boxes and places it such that the label should always be on top. Let's say you have a box jiska label is downside. It picks it up, it places it and makes it such that the label should always be on top. How it does that? We are using ML algorithms for that. We are using Keras for that, and we are using YOLO for image recognition. We are using object identification, object detection and label detection such that हम लोग सारे label वाले boxes को top पे रख सकें. We showcased it on Flipkart Grid 5.0, which was held on IIT Madras, and we were the finalists there. As of now, in the ML portion, we have attained 95% of efficiency. And about the weight, the model can pick up to 5 kgs of weight right now. We are using suction cup mechanism for it to pick up the boxes, but we are working on replacing the suction cup with something such that we can pick up more weight. We want to scale it up to 10 to 15 kgs of weight as of now. It was a really great experience in participating with the IDEA Lab. I really remember in my second year when I went to give the interviews for becoming the ambassador of the IDEA Lab. We had 2 rounds of interviews for the IDEA Lab. After becoming the ambassador, I have worked in creating many projects. I have organized many FDPs, STTPs and workshops as well. It was really fun having in working with IDEA Lab. I have created numerous 3D printed models. I have created numerous laser engraving models. There we also bought some keychains. These keychains are also built by us only for coming here. So I want to conclude with this question by saying that it was really great experience. Yeah, in fact, I'll also encourage my juniors to work in IDEA Lab too.
Hi, my name is Piyush Kushwaha. I am campus ambassador of ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today, I am showing you Delta Pick and Place machine. Delta Pick and Place machine is generally used in assembly lines and for packaging purpose. What it does, it picks object from the conveyor belt or from any platform and put in a packaging box. Its USP is that we have fabricated all this in-house IDEA Lab using 3D printer, laser cutting, and also used PCB etching machine for creating a control board for the machine. And it's very cost effective. For future, we are planning to commercialize this and start production, but still some work to do. We are planning to add a vision system so that it can detect object automatically and put it in a assigned position, and short also used for sorting the products.
The IDEA Lab Tech Fest had much more to offer. We will be back to showcase some more innovative solutions.